Shri Guruve Namah. Others are going to read. Hello everyone, I am Shakun. My story name is Anansi and Wisdom. Long ago, people didn't know anything. They didn't know how to plant crops or how to weave cloth or how to make iron tools. The god Nyame up in the sky had all the wisdom of the world. He kept it safe in a clay pot. One day, Nyame decided that he would give the pot of wisdom to Anansi. Every time Anansi looked in the clay pot, he learned something new. It was so exciting. Greedy Anansi thought, I will keep the pot safe at the top of a tall tree. Then I can have it all to myself. He spun a long thread, wound it round the clay pot, and tied it to his stomach. He began to climb the tree, but it was hard climbing the tree with the pot bumping him in the knees all the time. All the time, Anansi's young son had been standing at the bottom of the tree watching. He said, wouldn't it be easier to climb if you tied the pot to your back instead? Anansi tried trying the clay pot full of wisdom to his back, and it was really a lot easier. In no time, he reached the top of the tree. But then he stopped and thought, I am supposed to be the one with all the wisdom, and here my son was cleverer than me. And Nancy was so angry about this that he threw the clay pot down of the tree. It smashed into pieces on the ground. The wisdom was free for everyone to share, and that is how people learn to farm, to weave clothes, to make iron tools, and all the other things that people know how to do. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my topic is doctor. A doctor helps us to maintain good health. He works in a dispensary, a hospital or a clinic. We fall ill, we go to him. He gives us medicines after a checkup. He also suggests what we should eat during the illness. Doctors protect us from many diseases. They protect us from polio, malaria, etc. Like us, animals also fall sick. Doctors who treat animals are called veterinary doctor. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my topic name is festivals. India is a land of festivals. We celebrate many festivals every year. Holi. Holi is a festival of colors. On this day, people throw colored water and gulal on each other. Durga Puja. Durga Puja is the most important festival of the people of Bengal. They wear new clothes and eat sweets and other special food. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am going to tell you about the earth. The earth is very big in size. We cannot see the whole earth at one time. It is also difficult to go to all the places on the earth to study them. To study it, we take help of a globe. A globe is a model of the earth on which we can see different parts of the earth. It is round like the earth. Even a globe cannot show the whole earth at one time. We can see only half of the earth at one time. To see the other half, we have to rotate the globe. Blue areas on a globe show water bodies and the brown areas show the land surface. Thank you.
Hello friends, my story is the real wealth. One day, a rich man decided to take his son on a trip to the country. The wealthy man wanted to show his son how the poor people live so he could be thankful for his wealth. They spent 2 days on a farm of a very poor family. On their way home, the rich man asked his son how was a trip with the poor family and what did you learn? The son asked, I saw that we have servants to serve us, but they say serve other. We have one dog and they have four. We have important lanterns in our gardens and they have stars at night. We buy our food but they grow there. We have a big pool in our garden but they are creek that has no end. We have large walls of protect and us. They have friends to protect them. Finally, the sun edits thanks Dad for showing me how poor we are. Thank
Hello everyone, I am Renu. My story name is Guess the Flag. Betty looked at the flag. The flag is red, white, and blue. It has 50 white stars. The white stars are on a blue square. The flag has 6 white strips. It has 7 red strips. All the strips are horizontal. They are not vertical. The strips do not go up and down. They go from left to right. Betty loves her flag. It is the flag of her country. It is a pretty flag. No other flag has 50 stars. No other flag has 13 strips. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell a story. The story name is The Lion and the Cows. Once upon a time, there lived 4 cows in a forest. Every day they used to graze together in a particular spot. One day a lion saw the cows grazing together. The lion wanted to eat them, so he went to catch them. When the cows saw the lion, all of them fought with him. The lion had to run away. A few days passed and the cows quarreled between themselves and started grazing separately. One by one, the lion killed all of them. Moral of the story: unity is strength. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am going to read about composition of air. Air is a mixture of nitrogen, oxygen and other components such as carbon dioxide and other gases. Air also contains small quantities of water vapor, dust and smoke. Nitrogen. It is the most abundant gas present in the atmosphere. Living things require nitrogen but it cannot be taken directly from the air. Plants get nitrogen with the help of bacteria present in the soil. These bacteria fix the atmospheric nitrogen to form that can be taken up by the plants. Nitrogen is also added to the soil by means of fertilizers. Human beings and animals get nitrogen from the plant and animal source of food. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Sneha. I'm gonna tell you activity. That activity name is This House is Spotless. You can do this activity at your home also. For this activity you will need this picture which I given on your screen and your eyes. Instruction: hold this picture in front of your face at the arm's length. Close your left eye and stare directly at the door of house with your right eye. Slowly bring the picture forward while you continue to look at the door. Suddenly, the spot will disappear from sight. Continue to bring the picture closer and the spot will reappear. Now I'm gonna tell why this happens. You are not going crazy. Everyone has a blind spot in each eye and you have just located yours. The black portion of your eye is covered with many receptors that are sensitive to light. However, the nerve that sends messages to your brain is attached to the eye and it has no receptors. At the time you held this picture in front of your eye and could not see the spot on the house, the image was falling directly on your blind spot, and there were no receptor to receive the spot. Do this activity at your home and enjoy it. Thank you.
My topic name is computer. A computer is a machine that can be programmed to carry out sequences of arithmetic or logical operations automatically. Modern computers can perform generic sets of operations known as programs. These programs enable computers to perform a wide range of tasks. A computer system is a complete computer that includes the hardware, operating system, and peripheral equipment needed and used for full operation. This term may also refer to a group of computers that are linked and function together, such as a computer network or computer cluster. Thank you.
The students in China receive the most homework in the world.
Topic: How does a river form? Rainwater and melted snow collect in hollows in high ground such as mountains and hills. The water then flows downward by the steepest route. The steeper the slope, the faster the river flows. As time passes, the water wears away the ground and the natural path of the river is formed. As the river reaches flatter ground, it slows, eventually it flows into a lake or the sea. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Rabia. Today I will tell you about art and craft and some paintings. Painting the express of ideas and emotions with the creations of certain aesthetic qualities. In a two-dimensional visual language, the elements of this language, its shapes, lines, colors, tones, and textures are used in various ways to produce the sensations of volume, space movement, and light on a flat surface. These elements are combined into expressive patterns in order to represent real or supernatural phenomena, to internet a narrative theme, or to create wholly abstract visual relationships. An artist's decision to use tempera, fresco, oil, acrylic, watercolor, or other water-based paints, ink, gouache, encaustic, or Gaussian, as well as the choice of a particular form is based on the sensuous qualities and the expressive possibilities and limitations of the options, the choice of these medium and the form, as well as the artist's own technique combined to realize a unique visual images. We can draw many things like the painting of anything. Anybody can draw, not only the artist. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Pratibha. Breathing in other animals such as elephants, lions, cows, goats, frogs, snakes, birds have lungs in their chest cavities like the human beings. How do other organisms breathe? Do they also have lungs like those of human beings? Let us find out. Cockroach. A cockroach has small openings on the sides of its body. Other insects also have similar openings. These openings are called spiracles. Insects have a network of air tubes called tracheae of gas exchange. Thank you. Skills required for hotel management. So first is communication. So communication is very important skill for hotel management and for other work as well, because you should have good way of presenting yourself. That's only the communication, and communication can help you to engage your confidence as well. So being around people is very important, and always share your thoughts or the thing with others as well. Okay, now the second one is interpersonal skill. Interpersonal skill says that you should maintain your customers and the guests or the employees in an equal way, and they should have the happy experience of your hotel service. So please keep this in mind. Now the third one is detail oriented. So you should have all the detail of the hotel, that how the guests are feeling, or like how you are presenting yourself or your services, all about that.